with a white t-shirt.
I was gonna say, I jumped through
Pushing up. You alright?
Yeah.
Are you good? My bad. I didn't want to say surrender because I always get shot after.
What's going on, guys? Today I'm playing with my NOVRITSCH SSX23. It's not your standard SSX23. It has the MP5 straight mag from Primary Airsoft. Using 110 rounds, I can use this as a primary, so let's jump right into the action. The giveaway winners will be announced at the end of the video, so stay tuned. What I want to do is push up so I'm in range. I'm scouting the area to see if anyone's around. I see some enemies. Let's get right into the action. From what I saw, a lot of enemies pushed right, so I follow. I see some movement, but I don't want to give away my position just yet. I got him in his butt, but he didn't call it. I'm gonna wait for that Airsoft cheater to push up. I gave him a chance just in case he didn't feel it. So I waited for him to push up, and now he's behind these logs. I gave him a headshot, but he refused to call it.
You don't call it? Please, come on.
The Airsoft cheater is still behind the logs, but I ended up getting another player out. I'm going to try to relocate and pop up. I got sniped. Nice shot. Now in this round, I'm pushing up really, really slowly. To you guys, it doesn't seem like it, but it took me a while to get here. I find an area with a lot of vegetation, so I cool down for a little bit and see if any enemies are approaching. Got one. If there's one, there's more. The enemies are very confused at this point. With the silence and with the leaf suit, they have no clue where I am. That was the same guy from before.
I'm not gonna call any of those. Wow. Hit. Jesus Christ. That's ridiculous.
So I had enough of this dude and I told the ref.
Dude to do like 10 times point blank doesn't call anything. He's wearing multicam. He's over by the ferns. Over there.
I didn't let it ruin my day, but just don't be this dude. Come on, just call your hitman.
You not call it?
Anyways, I pushed up really far once again, and this time, I really used my leaf suit to the advantage. They had no clue I was here.
Good man, good man.
All right, my camera is about to die, so we have to make this quick. Thank you for everyone who has entered the giveaway. And by the way, do you guys like the dramatic voiceovers? I've been trying to do that lately with my gameplay, but yeah, let me know. I'll just go back to the normal self ones. But yeah, the mystery giveaway winner was Ariel Brito. I love Airsoft because it lets me escape from life and have fun for the time I'm playing. Thank you for entering. The mystery giveaway was a bottle of BBs and any size gloves you'd like. So yeah, any size BBs and any size gloves you want. So email me at REPTheAirsofter@gmail.com. I'll link it down below and we'll get that sorted. Now, for the winner of the Crytac CRB, I really hope someone gets this who really needs it. And thank you for the people who've entered that just wanted to buy a patch and not enter the giveaway because like people were telling me like, oh, I don't need it and I really want someone to have it that does. So thank you for that. And I got the people in here. They're all there. And yeah, we're gonna get this going. I'm gonna close this and shake it up. I really hope someone gets this who really needs it. So let's open it up and yeah. All right, I looked, hold on, let me let me close it again. I looked, shake it up and yeah. All right, I'm gonna shuffle it around and all right. Keep shuffling it, keep shuffling it, keep shuffling it, keep shuffling it. All right, adding some suspense. All right, I got one, guys. It is, drum roll please. Drum roll please. It's Claudia Boganino.
Winner.
That's the winner. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I'll be DMing you for your gun. And yeah, thank you for entering. Claudia, can the camera pick that up? Yeah, Claudia Bagaino. That's the winner. Yeah, thank you for entering. Thank you for everyone who has entered. And I'll be DMing you. Yeah, thank you for everyone. I really appreciate it. We'll have more giveaways on the channel. Be sure to, like and subscribe if you guys are new because I will be doing some more gameplays, giveaways, and all that stuff that involves Airsoft. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. And my camera's about to die. And bye.